Welcome back. Although there are a number of email service systems that you can use to connect with Amazon SES, we're now going to survey 9 different services that you can use either on your server or a cloud-based system in order to connect with Amazon SES to take advantage of the pricing as well as deliverability. And the first of those systems is Cindy.co. And Cindy.co is a system that will cost $59 one time. It allows you to send unlimited newsletters as well as to segment your list into different products and brands. Now, this is a self-hosted service that will run on your server, so it will take some measure of technical aptitude in order to get it up and running. Now, Email Octopus is another email service, and it connects through both WordPress and Zapier along with Amazon SES. So while it still runs on your server, the pricing does compare favorably with most email marketing systems. As you can see, 10,000 subscribers is $19 a month. 2,500 subscribers is going to be $0, with your statistics being stored for 90 days. In this case, there's a difference between automation campaigns and just plain campaigns. With the free version, all you'll have access to are going to be campaigns. Now, an enterprise level system is going to be People Campaigns. And People Campaigns has an email template library and it has an API along with the marketing communications that will allow you to use it. The pricing is obviously a little different. Of course, you can send 10,000 free emails every month, and then you're going to pay at the free level $0 a month. You can actually move up to $9 a month and then pay 10 cents for every 1,000 emails that are going to be sent. They give you an opportunity to compare the pricing with other systems that you are considering. So these 3 email systems allow you to connect with Amazon SES. There is some measure of getting these things set up. So you want to consider the one that's going to be easiest to install and maintain. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video where we will go through 3 more interfaces.